Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zoom error 10083 using a simple certificate installation method on Windows. First, locate the Zoom installer file you downloaded. The file is usually named zoominstaller.exe and can be found in your Downloads folder. Next, right-click the installer file and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, go to the Digital Signatures tab. Here, select Zoom Video Communications and then click on Details. After that, click View Certificate and then choose Install Certificate. A new window will open. Set the Store Location option to Local Machine and click Next. Now select Place all certificates in the following store and click Browse. From the list, choose Trusted Root Certification Authorities and click OK. Continue with the remaining prompts to finish the certificate import process. Once the installation is complete, close all windows and run the Zoom installer again. The error should now be fixed and Zoom should install normally. Thanks for watching.